Hello my dear students, welcome you all in this session, subject science and class 8th standard. Dear students, in last class in crop production and management, in previous class we have studied about sowing the seeds and adding manure and fertilizer. In this section we will study about fertilizers. Dear students, in the last class I told you that fertilizers and manure are very important to add to the crop. So here one activity is there. Take moong or gram seeds, green gram seeds in a 3 pots. Germinate them. You have to put soil and you have to grow. So select 3 equal seedlings. Take 3 empty glasses or similar vessels. Mark them A, B and C. To glass A, add amount of soil mixed with a little cow dung manure. Cow dung manure you add to A. In glass B, put the same amount of the soil mixed with a little urea. Urea is a fertilizer, you will get it. And in glass C, take the same amount of soil in glass C without adding anything. Now pour same amount of water in each glass and plant the seedling in them. So keep them in a safe place and water them daily. So after 7 to 8 days, observe their growth. So it is A, B, C. What you have done? To A, you have added soil and mixed with the cow dung. For B, you have added urea, same amount of soil. C, you have not added anything. Yes, but same amount of soil and same amount of water you have added. So what is our result? What will be the result? Dear students, did plants in all the glasses grow the same pace? Which glasses showed better growth of plants? In which glass was the growth fastest? You can observe here. A and B are these both growth is better than C. So, fertilizers are chemicals which are rich in particular nutrients. So, how they are different from manure? How are fertilizers are different from manure? Dear students, fertilizers are produced in factories. They are producing in a factories. They are manufacturing in a factories. Like example, urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, phosphate, potash, NPK. These are examples of fertilizer. The use of fertilizers has helped farmer to get a better yield of crops. So, adding these fertilizers to the crop gives a better yield, good product and give good benefits to the farmers. So, such as wheat, paddy and maize. But excessive of use of fertilizers has made the soil less fertile. If we add more these fertilizers, these are chemical fertilizers. Fertilizers have also become a source of water pollution. So fertilizers has made the soil less fertile. If the soil is good, if the fertile will get good yield. But by adding more chemical fertilizers, it may spoil the soil also. It make the soil less fertile also. So my dear students, in order to maintain the fertility of the soil, we have to substitute fertilizer with the organic manure or leave the field uncultivated. Follow in between 2 crops. Understand? Organic manure I have explained by the plant and animal decayed matter. So from microorganisms, what microorganism does? They cutting these plant or animal waste in a small particles and they decay it. So it will convert as a organic manure. The use of manure improves soil texture as well as its water retaining capacity. So organic manure is very good to add to the soil. It improves the soil capacity. It replenishes the soil with nutrients. Another method of replenishing the soil with nutrients is through crop rotation. What is this crop rotation? Dear student, this can be done by different crops grow alternately. Earlier farmers in northern India, what they used to do, they grow legumes as fodder in one season and wheat in the next season. This helped in the replenishment of the soil with nitrogen. Farmers are being encouraged to adopt this practice. Crop protection. So in one season, every season we should not grow the same type of crops. What will happen? So it loses the fertility of the soil. So we will not get good quality, good yield. So that's what happens. The earlier farmers, they first season they used to grow legumes, and in second season they used to grow wheat. So what this helps to replenishment of the soil. In previous classes you have learnt about rhizobium bacteria. These are present in the nodules of roots of leguminous plants. They fix atmospheric nitrogen. Understand? So this about fertilizer and manure. So what is the difference between fertilizer and manure? Fertilizer and manure both are same, but there is a difference between them. Both we will add to the field to get good yield. So what is difference between? Next point, difference between fertilizer and manure. Here clearly they have mentioned fertilizer, manure, difference between them. First one, fertilizer is a man-made inorganic salt. Manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung and plant residues. So this will produce in a factories by man-made, but it is natural. This chemical, it is natural. So from the cow dung and plant waste, animal waste is, so it is prepared from naturally. It is by man-made. Fertilizer is prepared in factories. Manure can be prepared in the fields. So fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Manure is relatively less rich in plants nutrients. These are the chemical nutrients which are very rich, which are needed to the plants, like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium is needed to the plants to get good yield. But manure is relatively less rich in a plant nutrients. Understand difference between them? Next point, advantages of manure. Dear student, the organic manure is considered better than the fertilizer because that chemical fertilizers which spoil the soil fertility. So this manure is good, better than the fertilizers. It enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It enhances water holding capacity of the soil. Soil, if it hold the water, then it can pass through all the parts of the plant. So it helps in that. It makes the soil porous, due to which an exchange of gases become easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture of the soil. So these are the uses of the manure. Hope you have understand this today's section. Homework. What is crop rotation? Write the disadvantages of fertilizers. Write difference between fertilizers and manure. List the advantages of manure. Understand? Write answers for these questions. Thank you.